Hi, this is Joe from plugandplaykits.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do my remote start in a 2016 to 2019 Ford Explorer. Standard key or push to start is the same install. The first step is you're going to remove the two screws here and here. They're 7mm. Once removed, you can remove this panel. It's just clips. Set to the side. You're now going to remove this under panel by pulling down. The plug you're going to access is behind the diagnostic plug. You're going to unplug the plug. Take my harness, plug it into the car's plug. Make sure it clicks in. Take the other end and plug it back into the vehicle. Once clipped in, you're done with this point. We're now going to plug in the parking light plug. Okay, we're now going to remove the side panel to access the parking light switch. With your panel tool, it's just clips. Just pull it apart. Set it aside. This is your parking light switch. Reach your hand behind it. The clip is facing the right. Push in and release it. Take your parking light harness that I provide and plug it in. You will hear that dinging noise until the plugs are plugged back into the remote start. Take it and plug it back into the switch. Make sure it clicks in. Take your wires and with your hand root them down and around to the bottom. Okay, at this point, once that's done, you're ready for programming. Okay, we're now ready for programming. Press the programming button while inserting the black 4-pin plug. You want to release when the LED is blue. Once released, plug in your remaining connectors. Once plugged in, your noise will stop and you can program. With your key, turn it to the on position. You will notice that the blue light is flashing rapidly. At this point, you can turn the key off and your remote start is programmed.